What's up YouTube, this is your boy Chef Fitz, and today I have a special recipe for you guys. Yeah, I have my friend who is behind the camera from Jamaica in Barbados visiting me and said want some jerk pork. And guess what? I'm gonna make an easy and simple jerk pork. Today we're gonna use some red stripe, also we're gonna use some Hennessy. You understand? So I'm gonna prepare a simple home jerk pork for you guys, so you guys can see. Alright? So stay tuned while I show you what I'm going in the Chef Fitzy kitchen.
Hey, done well.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible.
Alright, so welcome back. So right now, the kitchen kind of hot. So you know where I'm going. Alright? So here we have some of my jerk Caesar that I blend a few days ago. You know the jerk Caesar already. We normally come and we use mainly natural herbs. The onion, the garlic, the pimento, all of those natural herbs we use. So I have a nice piece of pork shoulder here that we're gonna jerk. We're gonna oven jerk. So we're gonna go ahead and season up it. Alright? So let's start seasoning it up. Let's put it in this. And then we're gonna pour some of our jerk season on it. Alright? So we're going in with all of our jerk season. But we blend. Alright? We're also going to use some of our Maggi all-purpose. Just to give it a nice little flavor. About half teaspoon. Alright? We're also using some of our Zan seasoning. You know our Zan seasoning give it a nice little spice. Alright? Also we're going to use a little bit of garlic powder. Just about half teaspoon. As you can see. And also we're going to use a little bit of onion powder. Half teaspoon. Alright? So as you can see, our pork shoulder. My friend now, him kind of like a little bit of spice. So you know nothing don't go, even though we have scotch bonnet in that pork, that jerk season, we're still going with some scotch bonnet. So I'm going with entire large scotch bonnet. And we're going to cut up this fine because we want it basically give this chicken a nice eat. This pork a nice eat, alright? So let's deal with it fine, quick and easy. Alright? So remember, use the gloves if you're afraid of the heat. Alright? Nice and fine. So we're going with the entire scotch bonnet. You know, you can't put jerk without scotch bonnet. Alright, so we're going to go in with our hand now and nicely massage our pork shoulder. Alright? So we're going to leave this to marinate for about 24 hours. Just to let it soak. You know, it's kind of eating in the kitchen. Alright? Kind of very hot. So look at our pork shoulder. Looking very nice. Good. So we leave this to marinate for 24 hours. Good. We have our nice pork shoulder here. We're going to place it inside of a casserole dish. Alright, we heat our oven already, preheated to 280 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so this is where the Hennessy come in. So we're gonna pour some Hennessy on it. The Hennessy is gonna give it an authentic taste, it's gonna give it a nice flavor. And the Hennessy carry this taste that when you taste it, my word, it just tastes nice. Alright, so we're gonna pour some Hennessy on it. First eating the jerk pork with Hennessy, not you? Alright? So So we also gonna cover it with a foil. Ensure that we pour all the season on it. Don't want to leave none of the season out, yeah? Rub it in nicely all over your pork. Good. So we're going to cover it nicely. Nicely in our casserole. So this is a 2-hour process. So what basically we're going to do, we're going to put it in the oven for an hour first, and then I'm going to take it out and put it on the tin tray to get that brownish color that you're looking at it. Alright, so we're basically going to bake it first, and then we're going to put it back and get that brownish color that you're looking for. Alright, so we're going to put it in for an hour in our oven here. For an hour, and then we'll come back and check up on it, alright? That's it. After an hour, our first hour, we're going to show the oven jerk pork. We're going to remove it from the oven, alright? Alright, so let's take a look on our oven jerk pork. So this is where the magic gonna take place, guys. Alright? So we're gonna remove it. We're gonna put it on a tin sheet. Look at how beautiful it is. Good. And then we're gonna pour all our juice, our love on it. Yeah, let's pour all of those juice, those love on it. And you know nothing don't go without the red stripe. So let's burst the red stripe. This is where the red stripe comes in. Alright, so we're going to pour our red stripe on it now. Good. Then we're going to put it back into the oven for another hour. Let's set up our timer. Let's bring it back up for another hour. Good. And then we're going to put it into the oven. Look at how beautiful it is. Alright? So, let's time it for another hour and then we'll check back on it. Don't go away. Huh? So after 2 hours, our pork is ready, our jerk pork. We're going to remove it from the oven. Wow. Look at how beautiful it is. Alright? Good. So we're gonna move it nicely. Alright? Come closer. Using the Chef Fitzy jerk sauce, we're using also the mild here. Right? So I'm gonna cut it. Whoa! Look at how juicy it look, guys, and tender. Whoa! Guys, I tell you, this is gonna taste so good. Alright? So we're gonna have the cameraman do the taste test. So I don't want the camera. Alright? So
alright.
Bro, it's your Chef Fitzy jerk sauce, bro.
Alright, dear man.
Some of them know where you're from.
Well, from Jamaica originally. I'm here in Barbados to taste Chef Hennessy. Red pork.
Right? Let them see it. Alright, can't take up everything.
Yeah, boy.
Alright,
Alright.
let me know how it tastes.
Yeah, cheers, real good boy.
How sauce? How
Sauce is proper.
Alright?
Well, I have to taste this more. I'm not paying for this one, you know? I have to eat a lot. Cheers, real good boy.
Yeah, man. This is our Hennessy Red Stripe Oven Jerk Pork. Make easy in the Fitzy kitchen. Yeah, man. I hope you guys enjoy my cooking show today. Hope you continue to subscribe to Chef Fitzroy on YouTube, also on Instagram and on Facebook. Make them know we're out.
I'm still eating because I'm not paying for this one.
Yeah, man. We're out.